Good morning, everyone. My name is Pawlada Sukdao, and today I'll present a case study on high context and low context culture based on a communication problem in a Thai American joint venture company. This presentation explains how cultural differences can affect communication and how organizations can improve cross-cultural collaboration. Let's begin with the case study. In a Thai American joint venture, a Thai manager said, "This proposal is interesting, but we may need more time to consider it." The American manager understood this as a positive response and expected the project to move forward. However, 1 week later, the project was canceled. This misunderstanding happened because of indirect communication, literal interpretation, lack of confirmation, and different cultural expectations. To understand this situation, we can use Edward T. Hall's theory. Thailand is considered a high context culture where people communicate indirectly and rely on relationships, social status, and context to convey meaning. In contrast, the United States is a low context culture where communication is more direct, clear, and explicit. As a result, the same message can be interpreted differently by people from different cultures. Let's compare the two cultures. In Thailand, communication tends to be indirect and polite, while Americans usually communicate directly. Thai culture emphasizes maintaining harmony and avoiding conflict, whereas Americans often address issues openly to solve problems. In addition, Thai people usually focus on building relationships first, while Americans often prioritize tasks, agreements, and results. To reduce misunderstandings, the company can implement a training program. The program includes cross-cultural awareness, understanding high and low context communication, active listening, role-playing activities, and communication protocols. These activities help employees recognize cultural differences and improve communication skills. The company can also use a communication alignment model. The steps are simple. State your position, explain your reasoning, confirm understanding, document decisions, and establish a follow-up timeline. This process helps ensure that everyone shares the same understanding. The key lesson is that ambiguity can become a major barrier in multicultural workplaces. Organizations should focus on creating shared understanding through confirmation, written summaries, and consistent communication. Most importantly, cultural awareness requires continuous learning and practices. In conclusion, cultural differences strongly influence communication styles. Understanding high context and low context cultures can help prevent misunderstandings and improve teamwork in international organizations. Thank you very much for your attention. Do you have any questions?